to land. Completed six. This is my latest invention, Magic Watch. Let's give it a try. Let's use the Magic Watch to help the dinosaurs on this planet. Hi, we are Little Panda Rescue. Let's check out what happened. Which dinosaur should we... Let's check it out. Little Panda Rescue Team, let's go! Help! Hello, we are Little Panda Rescue Team. Do you need help? It's horrible. We can't climb up. Please help us. Don't be scared. We can use a tuk-tuk to pull you up. Thank you. The cliff is terrible. Let Mew Mew examine you and see if there is any injury. Magic Watch. Activate the checkup device. The results show that Dinosaurs are weak and undernourished. When scanning their claws, serious damages are found. We need to find claw fragments before fixing them. Where are your claw fragments? We were having a fight in the bushes and fell off the cliff by accident. We must have dropped our claw fragments in the bushes when we had a fight. Oh no! The fragments are hard to find with so much grass in the bushes. Don't worry, I can turn into a mechanical Dinosaurus to search for fragments with sharp claws. Magic Watch, active! Captain Kiki, Super Transformation! Drag the sharp claws to cut through the grass and find the fragments. Great! My claws are fixed. We are still a bit hungry. Can you feed us? No problem. The Rascue is a herbivorous dinosaur that likes to eat plants and fruits. Little heroes of the rescue team, thanks for your help. Hi, rescue team. I have found some strange dinosaurs lately. Do you know Pteranodon? It is not a dinosaur, but a reptile that can fly. It has a small body with huge head and wings, but it has no teeth.